we have hit the take profit and we have made like fucking $40 in few minutes. And you can check our accuracy. We have made 46 trades. Only one is lost. Like, this is crazy. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to start our challenge day 4. We are growing our account from $50 to $500 and this is challenge day 4. In last 3 days we have grown our account from $50 to $111 and today we will grow our account to $150 plus. So we are here on Deriv DBot dashboard. So we will go here on Deriv Bot Builder. As you know, we have our prediction engine. People who purchase our bot, our premium bot, or any bot, they get a prediction engine specific for that bot. So we are using premium bot for this challenge because premium bot can handle a $50 equity very easily. So now we have to do the settings. We will go on our website alphalinkpro.com. We will click on login and prediction engine. So we have signal. This is volatility 75 1s and the recommended date is 0. We will consider this as 1. So the signal is still valid, and if we go on view analysis, these are the last signals. The ID is 745. View analysis, you can see here these are last 30-minute charts, core history, and last 5000 ticks plus recent digit data. I trust more on bot, on a software, because human can do mistakes, but a bot, a software cannot do it. So we are here on our Deriv DBot settings bot builder. So now we will do the settings. So this is volatility 75 oneness. We will put the volatility 75 oneness and the trade type is matches and differs and the contract type is differs. So now we have to put the stop loss. We will use the stop loss as 20%. Oh, sorry, 10%. So we will use this as $12 and our take profit will be $40. We are using like a high take profit because we trust our bot. So initial capital. Initial capital means like the bot will take the first trade with this amount. So we will use this as 7.718. And the initial order value is like from the second trade bot will use this tick size, so we will use it like 9.56. As we can see, the recommended rate is now 6. The bot has changed, so you have to like consider, like you have to check this again and again. My client was like saying, a new client text me like, why you switch the screens? We have to check the prediction because it is very important. Well, if we go here on why he have changed, because of confidence, the confidence was low, he changed the prediction. So we will use this as 6. So all settings are done. Now we will click on run. We do not have to do anything. If I can show you, like if we go on journal, now the bot is analyzing the last digit. And this is very important. There is like 2-factor. The bot check on its own also, and the premium bot check on its own also. So now the bot is doing mathematical calculations. After it will start the trades. So you can see everything is in front of you, nothing is hidden. You can see here this is real account and we cannot switch it. If I switch the screens, you can see nothing is changed. See here, if I take it here everything is same. So this is real, and if you have watched like last 3 days, so all challenges going very smooth. Now the bot has also started taking the trades, and if we go on symbol analysis, if we go here, like the bot is changing because you can see here 10.1 and 9.6. There is like all the digits are on same value, approximately same value, like 10, 9. So he's switching it, but we can use 6 also. Nothing to be worried. Feed quality is 90.9% and confidence is 91%. If we go here on Indian dashboard, you can see like 70, and the signal will expire in 3 minutes. Like after 3 minutes, we can change the signal. So our bot have taken like 14 trades, and the bot is like doing mathematical calculations. After it will start taking the trades. So a client texted me has said like, why you do not make a video to show how to create the bot? You can guide us. Like I can tell you, you can make the bot from these parameters. Like here you can get all the trading parameters. These are purchase conditions, sell conditions, plus you can get all indicators from here also, and like logics from here also. But we have 4 to 5 year experience, and we have made our prediction engine also. Because if you make a best bot, but you do not know the prediction, you do not know how to analyze the prediction, you cannot make profit. Like we are using our prediction engine from 3 months, approx 3 months, and we are making profit approximately. So before that, we analyze manually. If you can go in last videos, I think you can go 2 months back, you will see like we are analyzing the monthly, like manually. Sorry, my bad. We are analyzing manually. We check higher high, higher lows, lower high, and lower lows. There are a lot of factors, but when we make a software, we are 100% sure on it, because a software cannot be wrong. There are indicators, and this software is specific made for the premium bot. Like if you purchase our breakpoint or climber bot, you will get a different prediction engine that is designed for that bot. And we have made this on our own because we have a lot of experience. In starting, I can remember like in starting it was like a difficult time for me, because to take knowledge to test the bot. Because when we create a bot, like when we started taking the trades from the prediction engine, like we made and we have not started, we checked, we have done like 3 months approx, and like we have checked it for 3 months. Either we can start on our real account or not. When we are 100% sure, like we said, now we are 100% sure, and now we can use on our real account, then we have launched this product. We do not launch any bot until we are sure that it will make profit. There is a lot of testing behind it. Our team is working on it. There are two members who are like on customer support, because one member reply on WhatsApp or Instagram or Telegram. The other works on like 24 by 7 support, because when a client have purchased the bot, we give him 24 by 7 customer support. If he have any question or he's facing any query, he can just text us and we will reply him. And there are 3 members on our developer mode, because they test it. If like there is bug on prediction engine, they will fix it within minutes. Like is there is bug on our website or there is bug on bot, like they will check, they will fix it, and they will send to all members on their Gmail. So we have a proper team behind this. And I was just speaking And check this. The total number of runs are 45 and only one trade is lost. We have hit the take profit. Like, we have hit the take profit and we have made like fucking $40 in few minutes. And you can check our accuracy. We have made 46 trades. Only one is lost. Like, this is crazy. We have hit the take profit, and you can see here everything is like, and we have like 155 $151. So if you want to purchase the bot, simply you have to go here on website. If you are watching this video on any channel, you have to go on our website and you can click on here. This is AI automatic chat, like AI assistant who will guide you. Like, if our team is not available, you can ask questions from him. And if you want to chat us on WhatsApp, like if you are sure like you will create purchase the bot, you have to go click here and it will direct to you towards WhatsApp and you can purchase the bot. So if you want to check like the bot specifications, you will go here and you will check it, like the price or anything. So you will check it from here. So we are done with our challenge day 4 and we have completed it with high accuracy. Like, if you go check our last 3 videos, our $50 challenge, our accuracy is more than 90%. Like, if we are in challenge day 3, I do not remember, like we made like 50 trades and only 2 trades were lost. So we are making a good progress. So if you want to purchase the bot, you have to go on the WhatsApp and you have to talk to us. So we are done with our challenge day 4 and we will meet on now challenge day 5. Thank you for watching the video. Don't make sure to like, subscribe and comment.